isn't there a trade here that's going to do well all the time? Well, it would be nice if there was, but unfortunately we do not have a holy grail trade. Keep in mind that all trade strategies are going to perform well in some market environments. However, no trade strategy performs well in all market environments. They all have their strengths, they all have their weaknesses. The reality is we cannot expect one set of rules that we perform consistently. We can't assume that one set of rules is going to perform well consistently in all price movement and implied volatility shift scenarios. You need to realize that the performance of every back-tested trade ever developed that's rule-based and high probability is based on what the timing and the magnitude of price movement and implied volatility shifts were a majority of the time in the past. In other words, they are all form-fitted in some manner, certainly if the trades have been quote-unquote tweaked so that they work. All it means is they time them to the past so that they worked out satisfactory enough and now have the confidence to trade them going forward.